Yeah, looking at technological change, looking at the way the society or the target markets are embracing or adopting to technology, there is great opportunity in that sector, in the way we do business. As a bank, we've not just been, innovators, but we are leading in that space around technology innovation in a number of areas that we've been able to look at. How do we improve the efficiency of how we do business through technology? How do we avail our services to our customers through technology? How do we create stickiness of the way we serve our customers and our markets and internally? How do we then embrace technology to do that? We've invested in technology, and just to pick a few of the areas that I think we've been quite market leaders and doing very well, and we continue innovating continuously to improve, is looking at the mobile technology. We've been able to come up with not just the app, but also looking at what other offerings can we have on mobile technology. Right from a self-service app store for the bank, to open account, to have the normal services, payment services, to pay for utilities, to be able to review your account management through the phone. We've been able to have that. Over and above the convenience of the service on the mobile, we've looked at how do we want to lend to the larger fraternity of the country, population, through financial sector inclusion, small sector lending and individual lending. We are innovating and coming up with lending solutions to be able to embrace that. The conversion and adoption of that, again, is looking at our current existing customer base. How do we migrate them from the traditional channels into really that mobile offering? Internet, we've been able to do quite a lot, both for the personal sector and corporate clients, being able to really avail a platform where they can be able to do their banking from their offices conveniently or from their houses. Again, another area that we've not converted on the channel, coming out from the traditional channel to that. When we look at the processes side, as I said, improving efficiency in our processes through technology, we've embraced a number of things. Automating our credit process, being able to have some kind of real-time engagement on credit on a platform through what we call electronic data management systems, both for account opening and lending. We've been able to invest heavily, and I can tell you we can be able to make a credit decision from where we are sitting to a customer in Garissa, almost real time, because there is interaction from the branch through the EDMS or electronic data management system from the person in the branch in Mandera to my centralized side. That is on account opening and credit. We are looking at digitization. How are we doing, or other, embracing technology to digitize our processes, our paperwork, to improve efficiency on paper. And we've embraced that in the last couple of years, actually 3 years. Been able to digitize all the documents that we have, to have a real-time view of those documents, and to be able also to have the better storage of the documents. Previously, 10 years ago, an account opening was a very painful process. Getting mandates was a very painful process at the branches, but now we are able to have that really in an online platform. The other number of areas that we've been able to embrace technology, of course, the service channels at the branches. If you see the way we serve our customers through Qmatics, we are able to tell how efficient are we in all the branches. An investment that is able to improve the customer experience for those who still embrace the branch service. Clearly, as a bank looking at almost getting to 50 years of age, we appreciate the diversity of our customer base. So we can't, again, forget some of our customers who still embrace the other channels. So we are having a fair balance of both. Looking at payments and settlements, we are one of the biggest institutions who are heavy in public sector to ease the way government makes payments. Through public institutions and private institutions, we've embraced channels where we are able to settle. National Bank today does the highest payroll for government through technology. Out of where we used to have nominal rolls running, it's now by the pinch, and by the end of the day, everybody has money, whatever they bank, through national bank government institutions. We've come out with other solutions whereby we are able to not only pay for government, but also collect for government. We are top tier collectors of KRA, for example, on a daily basis, circa 1 billion shillings every day through our branches, real-time settlement into KRA, and they're able to see the collections of the country. Other institutions, universities, we are looking at fees collections. We are looking at how can government really improve on efficiency through a banking platform. What is in it for us? Convenience, happy customers, happy institutions banking with us, and more revenue on unfunded fees income. Lately, you must have seen on papers that we've won a tender to provide the electronic driving license for customers in this country, for all drivers in this country, a sole contract that we have with National Transport Services Authority, and that we want to be able to deliver within the next 90 days. That will improve information of drivers to the authority. It will allow you to be able to connect your driving license to a virtual account or an account in National Bank. It will allow you to have other wallets where you can include money. The cheap investment on the chip, what we call closed loop. We have the only certificate to be able to even mobilize within that wallet payments from all the other areas, and that we've done as National Bank. We're looking at not only that, other areas on the Ministry of Health, what we need to be able to do, further digitizing education for education institutions through National Bank. So it's business as usual, that's what I can say. Traditionally, we used to be the channel that older drivers used to come and collect your red booklet, driving license through bank channels, National Bank. I think that was earning National Bank 10 shillings per every driving license collected. Some used to get lost, and today I'm sure you're not happy when you see your driving license. It doesn't look even like you. It doesn't look like Kenya. So clearly, I think in terms of embracing technology, is for us to have a market-fed solution leadership in technology. We are now at the stage, we have an innovation team and development team sitting within the bank just to think and really do innovative ways of doing business from a market-led feedback. We're looking at the future for us is to really set up the near term, within this year possibly, a fintech where we are able to source the expense, the investments, and we can be able to really drive a lesser regulated business in banking through financial solutions, through technology.